Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's been, I think, almost a year, roughly almost a year, and a lot of exciting stuff has happened. A lot of good things, lots of good things, lots of things that kind of stressed me out, but that's fine. Um, you know, my journey has started with Kansas State on a path to um, work really hard to become an AI industrial engineer or to mix controls engineering and AI engineering together. Um, and really, when I say AI engineering, it's more of the machine learning side. I want to build the applications and the pipelines to go in to feed an algorithm to make a decision and do some cool stuff. We're still on that path. We're still going strong on it. Um, I watch all my videos, so I watched all my videos from the past, and the one thing that I noticed was the inconsistency. I think that there was a over the summer there was a lot of excitement when I was making my videos. You know, I'm taking this futuristic degree. There's all these cool things that I'm going to be able to build and develop, and be able to change the industry. I want to have some psycho belief that I'm going to change something or do something good. That would be really nice. But going through this program, I see and all the different avenues that you could take, and it made me really excited. And I eventually got my dream board and put everything together, the direction that I want to go, the path that I want to take, and started figuring out um, how to get to this path. And so, this summer is going to be the summer of work. So this is going to not be the summer of school, but this is going to be the summer of work. Still taking classes. I'm dropping down to 7 units, which is a lot more doable than 15 over the summer. Still a lot, but it's completely doable. Um, I'm not going to drown in this. Same thing over the fall. Instead of 18 units, I'll be taking 9. That's massive. That's a lot of time open. And so this summer, we're going to go through the Codesys platform. We're going to study really, really hard on this. Um, I'm going to be using Marco Nucci's uh, Codesys trainings. I think he has like 5 or 6 videos. Um, and then at the end of that, that would be that I'm planning on starting that now. I know, like right before finals. Uh, I'm gonna start that now. Go through Codesys, and then after I finish those programs, which I'll keep updating. We'll show projects. We'll go through this. I'll explain more in Codesys what I really like about it. All these things. Codesys is a wonderful platform. And then we're gonna switch over to ROS 2. And the reason for the switch is hopefully for my programming 2 class, my instructor will work with me and I can implement some C++ code for ROS 2. And this will be my backbone for creating smart machines. And so we're gonna go through the training. I forgot the instructor's name, but he's a Udemy instructor as well too. And we're just gonna go through that. I have 2 rigs here to handle all this, so we should have enough computing power. Um, but yeah, we're still staying strong in this. There's no deviation from the path. Um, I know another thing that we'll be studying this summer. So we're breaking CodeSys into half the summer, ROS 2, the last end of summer into the last end of summer into fall. And then hopefully this summer we can get the Codesys professional. What's it, the professional package? Um, the professional licensing. And hopefully that creates some opportunity, um, to do some more work in Codesys and work with the MCP server, which I'm really excited about. Um, They just won #1 in their show for that. So that is a massive accomplishment and absolutely wonderful. Um, and then I'll also be studying for my FE exam. Um, really hard exam. So I'm not taking this as if, uh, oh, I'm just gonna pass it and it's whatever test. And no, this is it's hard. So we're just gonna go through all this work one by one. But each training that I'm doing, the FE, we're just gonna treat it as a normal class. I'm gonna make the curriculum, go through it, and just work really hard. But this is the summer of work. This is the summer of focusing on the right stuff to get to the right place. Um, being able to connect everything. Um, if you're asking if I'm going to go into a cloud service, I eventually, but I don't want to right now. Um, I'm really enjoying the industrial automation side, and I just want to see how I can make that smarter. Um, but welcome back. I'm going to be documenting all of this over the summer. Um, the reason for this docu series, if you made it this far, is I want to be able to go back and see myself and see the progression and the growth. See maybe where things clicked, and just be able to show like when things get hard, especially in this moment, because I'll remember everything for these moments of each video created. Being able just to see the progression and growth and where I've started to where I end up, because things can still change. But just want to tell you guys thank you. um, if you've watched this whole entire video, I really appreciate that. Please stay tuned. Any questions, leave comments, likes, whatever you want. Um, just excited to get to the working portion after doing so much schooling. But thank you guys. More videos to come. Go Cats.